everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I thought I would do a little nail art video. I've not done one in a while, so I'm actually really excited to be wearing nail art. It's kind of fun, feels very springy, and I'm using two new polishes from the most recent Orly collection, which is called Day Trippin'. It's like a really cute collection. I've already swatched on my channel. If you guys haven't already watched that, you might want to check it out. It's a really great collection, has a great color story to it. But today I'm using two shades. The main color, which is like the base color in the design, is called Happy Camper, and then the orange that I'm going to be using is called Kitsch. Then for the art, I'm actually using acrylic paint for the white part, and that's just like standard acrylic paint. I use the brand Craftsmart a lot of the time, which is Michael's brand. And then tool wise, I am using the largest dotting tool that I have, which is from a dotting tool set off of Amazon, so I will link that down below. Then the brush is the Dance 24 brush from What's Up Nails, which I will also link down below. So I've already put on my base coat, and actually you guys are going to see this manicure pop up in another video because I'm kind of like testing out a base coat. So we're not going to talk about that right now. But the polish here is called Happy Camper by Orly. I am obsessed with this polish. I think even like after I do a big swatch session, if I've already had this polish on, like I still go ahead and put this polish back on. Like that's how much I love this polish. And I'm wearing it on my toes. So like I love it. Usually with this sort of color, I feel like they don't traditionally have great formulas, but this Orly version of this color has an excellent formula, so I'm just loving it. The brush makes it easy to apply, and if you don't buy any like major spring polishes from any collections, like I feel like this is like the one polish that everybody should probably purchase because it's just so pretty. I love it. So I did 2 coats of that. Then I'm using, like I said, the biggest dotting tool that I have. It is the green one if you have the ribboned ones, which like I said is in a set off Amazon that I'm going to link down below. It's the green one, the biggest dot on that. Then I'm going to do 3 dots down the edge of the side of my nail. And you could do this in the middle, you could do it on the opposite side, like really you could do anything that you wanted here, just put the dots somewhere. And also if you have longer nails than I do, then you might be able to actually fit in a 4th one, but my nails are pretty short right now, so I just did 3. Then I'm gonna go in with some white acrylic paint, and I'm just gonna kind of like outline like the circles, kind of just like little waves, I guess you could say, almost. Not really sure how you would describe this, but you guys can definitely see what I'm doing here, which helps. If you couldn't see this, like I would not be able to make a tutorial because nothing I'm saying is making sense. But I'm gonna do that. I tried to do it as even as possible, but like if you can't get it on the first coat, no worries. Go back over it again with some white paint. Just do it until you're happy with the shapes. That's definitely what I did, and it was definitely hit or miss on each nail, as you guys are gonna see at the end where I show you all my nails, which actually I already showed you at the beginning. Anyway, it's kind of hit or miss. You definitely want to make sure you let your design dry 100%. And then even whenever you think it's dry 100%, definitely like float your top coat brush on top of your nails to make sure that you don't pull any color with it, because I hate that when that happens. I did do a shiny top coat. I used the Glisten and Glow shiny top coat, but then I realized for photos I decided I wanted a matte top coat, so then I used the Orly matte top coat on it afterwards. So you'll probably see pictures and things that are in 2 different finishes. But that is the final design. It's really fun, really cute, really simple. And if the white line part intimidates you to do it on like your non-dominant hand, I actually just did like a smaller white dot inside of the orange dot because that was really easy to do and much easier to do if you don't have a brush on hand or you just don't feel comfortable painting major lines on your other hand. So I think that is officially it. Thank y'all so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I've not done a nail art video in a while. I've also not filmed any vlogs in a bit, but I'm going to be trying to change all those things up, trying to do more and share more art on here because I've been doing a lot of art. I just haven't been sharing it on YouTube, but I definitely need to. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this